We are pleased to show you the 2025 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, splash guards, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.